New Claude Code 2.194 is insane. Claude Code just got a massive upgrade and it changes everything. 25 CLI changes in one drop. Agents now work faster than ever before. The AI thinks less and does more. And if you're using Claude Code for your business, this update is a game changer. Let me break it all down right now. Now let me tell you exactly what just landed in Claude Code 2.194 and why you need to care about this right now. Because some of these changes are not small. These are the kind of changes that make your AI work harder, faster, and smarter without you doing anything extra. Let's start with the biggest one. Default effort just went from medium to high. That's right. If you're using Claude Code through the API, through Bedrock, through Vertex, through Foundry, or you're on a team or enterprise plan, Claude is now going to work harder by default on every single task. Think about what that means. You fire off a command, you ask Claude to build something, fix something, write something. Before this update, it was putting in medium effort. Now, it's going all in on every single request. You didn't change a setting. You didn't have to upgrade your plan. Anthropic just quietly flipped a switch and made your AI better overnight. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to give you the latest AI updates. And Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below and let him know what you think. That's the kind of update that compounds. Every task you run from here on is getting deeper thinking, deeper results, more thorough outputs. And if you're running Claude Code to automate your business, to build tools, to grow communities like the AI Profit Boardroom, that's a direct upgrade to your output quality. Now here's the next one, and this one is huge if you use Claude.md files for memory. The ignore memory bug is fixed. Here's what was happening before. If you told Claude to ignore memory, it treated your Claude.md file like it was totally blank, like it didn't exist. So all the instructions you'd carefully built up, all the context you'd given Claude about your project, your business, your preferences, gone. That was a real problem, especially if you're running complex automations and using Claude.md to store important rules and context. If you want to learn how to use tools like Claude Code to automate your business, save time, and scale faster, the AI Profit Boardroom is the best place to do it. Link is in the comments and description. It's where serious business owners are implementing this stuff right now. Now, when ignore memory is set, Claude Code no longer treats Claude.md as empty. It still reads your memory entries and includes them in its responses. So your context stays intact. Your instructions still matter. Claude still knows what you've told it. That one fix alone could be saving people hours of frustration every single week. And if you're setting up Claude Code for your business, using it to build automations, manage content pipelines, or run your AI stack, having your memory actually work the way you expect is non-negotiable. Which brings me to something I'll circle back to in just a minute. Because if you want to see exactly how to set this up for your business and get the most out of Claude Code, stay with me to the end of this video. I've got something for you. But first, the third big change in this update. And this one is all about speed. Agents are now calling tools first. Before this update, when you triggered an AI agent inside Claude Code, it would start by planning. It'd think about what it needed to do. It'd reason through the steps, and then it would act. That sounds fine on paper. But in practice, it slowed everything down. You'd wait for Claude to think before it actually did anything useful. Now with 2.1.94, agents are using new examples that teach them to call tools first. Skip the long planning phase, jump straight into action. This is a fundamental shift in how AI agents behave. And what it means for you is faster results, less waiting, more doing. If you're running multi-step automations, this matters a lot. If you've got agents doing research, writing content, pulling data, building pages, all of that happens faster now because Claude isn't stopping to plan when it could just be moving. Now, let me put all three of these together because I think people are sleeping on how big this is. You've got Claude Code putting in higher effort by default. You've got memory now working correctly so it knows your context. And you've got agents that are faster and more action-driven. In one update, you went from a good AI coding tool to a significantly better one without doing anything. Now, let me show you how this actually looks in practice if you're running this for a real business. Let's say you're using Claude Code to help grow a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's what a real setup might look like. You open Claude Code, you've got your Claude.md set up with all the context about your business, what your community is about, who your audience is, what kind of content works, what tone you use, what your goals are. You then trigger an agent to go pull the latest AI news, write a YouTube script, and format it for your editor. Before this update, that agent was planning, thinking, then slowly working through each step. Now it jumps straight to the task. It pulls the tools it needs immediately. It moves faster. And because effort is now set to high, the quality of everything it produces is deeper and more thorough. That's not a hypothetical. That's the real world impact of what Anthropic just shipped in 2.194. And this is exactly the kind of AI automation setup we break down inside the AI Profit Boardroom, step by step. tool by tool, so you can implement this stuff for your business without wasting time figuring it out from scratch. Now, let me get into some of the other changes in this update because there are 25 CLI changes and a handful of them are worth knowing about. MCP tool descriptions are now capped at 2 KB. This might sound like a technical detail, and it is, but here's why it matters. Some MCP servers that are auto-generated from APIs like OpenAPI servers would dump massive amounts of text into your context when you connected them. Paragraphs and paragraphs of tool descriptions that would eat up your context window and slow everything down. Now there's a hard cap, 2 KB per MCP tool description. That means Claude Code stays lean, your context window stays clean, and your sessions run faster. If you've ever connected an MCP server and felt like things started getting sluggish, this fix might be exactly why. MCP servers are now deduplicated. Here's another one. If you had an MCP server set up both in your local config and through a Claude.ai connector, Claude Code used to run both, which meant duplicate connections, duplicate tool calls, wasted resources. Now it deduplicates, local config wins. You get one clean connection. Background bash tasks now tell you when they're stuck. This one is about transparency. If you've got a background bash task running and it hits an interactive prompt, meaning it's waiting for input but you don't know it, Claude Code will now show you a notification after about 45 seconds. Before this, you'd just be waiting and waiting, not knowing if something was actually running or just completely frozen. Now you get told, you can step in, you can fix it. Your sessions don't just silently die. Token counts over 1 million are now displayed cleaner. Small UX thing, if you're running long sessions and hitting million plus token counts, Claude Code used to show something like 15 and 12.6K, which is honestly just hard to read at a glance. Now it shows 1.5 famous. Clean, simple, you know exactly where you are at scale. Global system prompt caching now works with tool search enabled. If you're using tool search, which lets Claude search through all available tools to find the right one, system prompt caching was broken. It wasn't working, so every request was reloading your system prompt from scratch. That's now fixed. Caching works, which means faster response times, less token usage, better performance overall. Voice push to talk is fixed. If you use the voice feature in Claude Code, there were 2 annoying bugs. First, if you held the voice key, characters would leak into your text input, so your typed prompt would get corrupted. Second, transcripts were inserting at the wrong position. Both fixed. Voice mode now works the way it should. Arrow key navigation is fixed. If you were using Claude Code and your up and down arrow keys suddenly stopped working when you focused on a footer item, this drove people crazy. That bug is now gone. Control+U works across lines now. If you use keyboard shortcuts in your terminal, Control+U is kill to line start. Before, it would only work on the current line. If you were in a multi-line input and hit Control+U repeatedly, nothing would happen. Now it clears across lines the way you'd expect, and there are system prompt changes too. 2 changes to system prompts in this release. The details here are internal to how Claude reasons through tasks, but the direction is consistent with the higher effort default and the tool-first approach. Claude is being tuned to be more direct, more action-oriented, and more thorough. Anthropic is clearly pushing hard on making Claude Code the best agentic coding tool on the planet right now. And with every release like this, the gap between Claude Code and everything else gets bigger. The key themes in this update are clear: higher quality by default, better memory behavior, faster agents, and a cleaner, more reliable experience across the board. Now here's what I want you to take away from this. Claude Code is not just a coding tool. It is an automation platform. It is an agent runner. It is a system for building AI-powered workflows that save time and scale your business. And every time Anthropic ships an update like 2.194, that platform gets more powerful, more reliable, more capable. If you're not using Claude Code yet, start. The learning curve is real, but it's worth it. If you are using it, update now, run the latest version. You're leaving performance on the table if you're not on 2.194. And if you want the community, the systems, the SOPs, and the real-world use cases for how to use tools like Claude Code to grow your business, that's what we've built inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We cover the latest AI updates. We break down the tools. We show you exactly how to implement this stuff, and you're getting it alongside business owners who are actually doing it. Link is in the description. Come join us. And if you're just getting started and want a free entry point first, the AI Success Lab is the place. It's free. We've got over 45,000 members in there right now. You'll get the video notes, the resources, the community, and access to hundreds of AI use cases, including exactly how to set up Claude Code for your business. Link is in the comments and in the description. Go grab it.